How to fix Discord gray screen. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store or the Play Store. In the source bar, search for Discord. Head over to this application. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then the application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing some issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. Tons of different applications will be available to you. Search for Discord and then head over to it. You'll get to see the option of Offload App. Simply click on it. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application, and it will reduce all of the unwanted bugs from the app. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Discord. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix gray screen on Discord. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.